Welcome back to Stewart Science. I know you guys have been waiting for this one for a long time. We're back at it again with videos, and today we're talking about radioactive decay. When an atom is radioactive, it's a certain type of isotope that's not stable forever. So it'll stay there for a while, and then over time it will eventually break down. And when it breaks down, it will break down one of two ways: it's alpha decay or beta decay. And both of them are different chemical processes that happen to the nucleus of an atom where the protons and the neutrons are found. So in each of these cases, we're going to be thinking about what atom will be left after alpha and beta decay. We're going to start with beta decay because I think it's easier than alpha decay to kind of run the numbers for. So beta decay. In beta decay, you lose one neutron, but you gain one proton. So this is super weird. A neutron becomes a proton. And what this will end up doing for your atom is that your mass stays the same. It doesn't change. But your atomic number will go up 1 on the periodic table. So if you had an atomic number of 80, it'll be 81. The atomic number 14, it'll be 15, because you're gaining a proton, and protons and neutrons both have mass. So your mass in this case doesn't change, but your proton number goes up 1, which is the atomic number. So here's a few examples for you. I'll just do 2. The first one I want to look at is magnesium 23. So to solve one of these problems, you just find magnesium on the periodic table. Find magnesium on the periodic table. It's right here. And so in an isotope name, you have the element name and the mass number. So the element name magnesium would be atomic number 12. So if beta decay happened, we would go up 1 to 13. 13 on the periodic table would be aluminum. And so our remaining isotope would be aluminum, and the mass doesn't change, 23. Because in beta decay, a neutron becomes a proton. If a neutron became a proton, we go from 12 to 13. That's our element. And our mass goes from 23 to 3. Element up 1, mass stays the same. That's beta decay. Try this one. Bismuth 212. Go grab your periodic table, pause the video, and see if you can figure this out. Bismuth 212. Okay, I hope you paused it. Bismuth, if you find it on the periodic table, it's down here near the bottom. Let me find it. Bi, right here. And so if it undergoes beta decay, it gains 1, it goes up to Po, which is polonium. So our new atom will be polonium. And the mass doesn't change because a neutron and a proton both weigh 1. So our mass stays at 214. Ta-da, we're done. Easy enough, right? Now the other kind of decay that can happen is alpha decay. So if I ask you about alpha decay, in alpha decay, you lose 2 protons and you lose 2 neutrons. So that's going to end up with your atomic number down 4 and your mass, atomic number down 2 because there are 2 protons, and your mass down 4 because protons and neutrons both have mass. So atomic number down 2 because it's 2 protons, mass down 4 because protons and neutrons both have mass. They're losing 4 total particles that have mass. So if I give you an example here, radium-226, you gotta find radium. Radium is right there, but if you can't read that on your screen, it says 88 for the atomic number. If we lose 2 protons, now we're down to 86. And so 86 is all the way over here on the periodic table, and that's radon. So our element name would be radon. And unlike beta decay where our mass doesn't change, this mass goes down 4. So we're left with 222 for our mass. Radon 222 is our answer. Atomic number down 2, mass down 4. Let's try another example. Gold 149. You try this one. Pause the video. Gold's right here. What isotope would you have left if gold 149 underwent beta decay? Pause. Okay, hopefully you paused and you were able to figure it out. When you find gold 149, the atomic number goes down 2. And so when we look at our periodic table, gold is at 79. So it would go down to iridium. And the mass would go down 4, so it would be 145. Iridium 145 is what you'd have left. So to summarize, in alpha decay, you lose 2 protons and you lose 2 neutrons, which means your mass goes down 4 and your atomic number goes down 2. In beta decay, a neutron turns into a proton so that your mass doesn't change and your atomic number goes up 1. As always, this is Mr. Stewart. Keep learning no matter what.